lost their life.
So there is a word flying coffin.
Yes, sir.
In Indian Air Force.
Sir.
What is it and why it is known as?
So flying coffin called for the MiG-21 that was discommissioned right now because MiG-21 got as a flying coffin because they took many lives of the Indian Air Force personnel as of a pilot. The crashes of MiG-21 is much more as compared to the other fighter craft.
So there is a UN cry over the post of CM in Rajasthan,
So
and the controversy is whether son or sen type of people should be given the charge of chief minister or not. So according to you, what is the best way to choose the representatives on the basis of scent or something, or the representative system?
sorry sir, I didn't went to this article right now.
You are from Bihar,
So
so give me two different solutions to develop the state better.
So the first development in Bihar is the education system. Like children.
Suppose you become the chief minister of Bihar. So what are the two changes you would like to see in Bihar to improve education?
Sir, I will improve first thing in the education system. Like the child of the wealthy family and the child of a rickshaw puller will get a same education in the same way. And the second is awareness about
If you are talking about your secondary part, what is your observation? I am not interested in your friends anymore.
So,
You just tell me about yourself.
so my observation about the strength. So my strength is I do multitasking at the same time, and the weakness is, sir, I am not good in current affairs and the GK part, general knowledge part, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Next participant, just number 14, Balram Mishra.
Welcome, sir.
Yes, come on.
Jai sir. Jai sir. I, Flight Colonel Balram Mishra from Bihar and Jharkhand acted. In the NCC, we learn not just to lead, but to serve, not just to command, but to inspire. So my today's lecture topic is role of NCC in nation building. So I will divide my talk in three parts. First, I will give the intro, then I will move forward how NCC is helping by their camps. Lastly, I will conclude my topic by giving my own conclusion. So nation building is a creation or a development of a country, especially those who got recently development. And as we know, nation building is a core part for developing country like Bharat. And nation building is not just about adopting new technology and improving the technology. It's the way to develop the nation building by improving the nation building.
Your free speak, 20 seconds only. Please do not exceed the time which is allotted to you. If you are going to exceed, your time will be deducted. Marks will be deducted. And after just completion of test number 20, so without any instruction, you are going to start your practice session. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now your time starts. 30.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our today's group discussion topic is NCC should be inducted as a compulsory subject or not. And I will go with the lead. Yes, NCC should be inducted as a compulsory subject in schools or college, because NCC give a good exposure and a platform, good platform to groom their
There
personality.
are multiple benefits, and besides that, it primarily prepares boys with a military touch for the further challenges in life, and also for the contributing towards societal duty.
One of the very important things that should be there is the discipline.
So I will go with the yes, NCC should be inducted as a compulsory subject, because NCC give a golden opportunity and a good platform.
That is a valid point, my friend. NCC being the most populous country around the world, I think that NCC is the only organization.
And also NCC is very many camps, like
Also account for largest youth force globally.
Gentlemen, we are undoubtedly the largest population and we are having the largest youth of the country.
Here I would like to appeal and request my assessors. So, do you have any suggestions, sir? Actually, they are going to forward after that. अभी कोई ऐसे suggestions हैं जो आप किसी individual को देना चाहें, क्योंकि बाद में ये लोग भूल जाएंगे.
जो सजेशन होगा ना वो हम इसमें नोट कर देंगे.
So, what is my suggestion?
sometimes it happens that students may feel कि in such hue and cry, how could I participate? लेकिन एक बात ध्यान रखिए, within that, a few cadets are able to manage and speak very, very comfortably and calmly, and that is a real test in audio. Clear? तो ये hue and cry जो हो रहा है ना, ये hue and cry जो है आपको एक actually adversity situation के लिए, so that you can manage your time. A few cadets are just depressed, they come in that sad mode. Don't come in that. आपको जीतने वाली जगह पर सोचना है. Your time will come when you just come back. ठीक है? सही बोलने नहीं दे रहे हैं ऐसा नहीं है, क्योंकि हम आपको एसेस करके कोई बहुत बड़ा काम तो करेंगे नहीं. You are going to lead बिहार एंड झारखंड होने. उस जगह पर आपको ध्यान रखना है. इसमें if certain situation का actually it is a temporary situation. You are going to win. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
In an average, the candidates are provided hardly 2 minutes to prepare the contents, and they are expected to reveal the complete information about it within 3 minutes. So in this round, I'll provide you 1 minute only, because actually brevity is the soul of wit. If you have the basic information, correct information, you can just speak it within 1 minute, and after that, on that 1 minute only, the complete evaluation can be done. Clear? So that on that basis, firstly I would like to call Balram Mishra. You please come. Time starts.
Jai Hind everyone, I Flight Cadet Balram Mishra from Bihar and Jharkhand Active, and today's lecture topic is corruption and remedy. So I will divide my talks in 4 parts. Like firstly I will give the introduction of corruption, then remedy, then I will talk about the causes. Lastly I will conclude my talk by giving my own conclusion. So corruption is a